Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore why systems triumph over goals for lasting success. Everyone talks about setting big goals, lose weight, save money, write a book. But what if goals aren't enough? James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, argues that goals are actually overrated. What truly matters are your systems. I'll break down why systems beat goals every time and how to build systems that practically guarantee your success. Consider this. Both the winner and the loser of a competition had the exact same goal. Every Olympian wants the gold. Every student wants to ace the exam. So why do some succeed and others don't? The difference isn't in the goals. They're often identical. The difference is in the asterisk systems they follow daily. Let's clarify the distinction between goals and systems. A goal is the desired result. For example, I want to run a marathon in 6 months. A system is the process you follow to get there. For example, running 3 times a week, gradually increasing mileage, cross-training, and following a recovery routine. Goals give direction, but systems create progress. As James Clear wisely states, you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Let's look at a practical example in the context of health. Imagine person A says, my goal is to lose 20 pounds. Person B says, I'll focus on building a system. Meal prep every Sunday, walk 10,000 steps daily, and work out at 7 a.m. 3 times a week. Who's more likely to succeed? Person B. Their system makes success inevitable. They become healthier and more consistent. So how can you start building powerful systems in your own life? First, identify the outcome you want, then ask, what process will naturally lead me there? Second, design small daily actions. Make them so simple you can't say no. For example, write 1 page a day. Third, track and improve your system weekly. It's a living thing. Ask, is my system moving me closer to my vision? When you fall in love with the system, success becomes a natural byproduct. The challenge is clear. Stop obsessing over goals and start falling in love with the process. Build systems that make winning inevitable. Goals are the destination. Systems are the journey, and the journey transforms you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and let me know in the comments. What system or asterisk you going to build this week? I'd love to hear from you.